Hello and welcome to our instructional tutorial on how to navigate the CNAS Scholars website. The purpose of this instructional tutorial is to teach you about some of the content that we host, as well as how to navigate some of the tabs on the CNAS Scholars website. Firstly, in order to access the CNAS Scholars website, you will have to visit cnascholars.ucr.edu. Once there, the homepage will look something similar to this. You will notice at the top of the page, we post our news and announcements such as this. In order to click off, simply click the X and that will disappear. Scroll down and you will see a brief history of our program, as well as a video overview of our program presented by our peer mentors. If you continue to scroll down, you will see a button that says CNAS Scholars Blog. If you click this, it will take you to an external website where a blog written by our peer mentors is housed. Scrolling up, you will see a home button where 4 tabs appears. If you scroll down to the CNAS Scholars News button, you will be able to view our newsletter, which is an important document sent to all participants within our program. This includes important updates from our campus partners, as well as important academic deadlines. If you come back to the home page and scroll down to frequently asked questions and click, and scroll down, you will be able to click these interactive modules, such as this one that says, "How do I join this program?" and see answers to frequently asked questions. Moving back to home and down to Contact Us, you will be able to see the faces of our program, such as our coordinator, Jennifer Coplia, as well as her contact information at cnascholars@ucr.edu, as well as her phone and her office number. Coming to the CNAS Scholars Learning Community tab and click, you will see a brief overview of the program, some interactive modules of frequently asked questions about the CNAS Scholars Learning Community, and instructional tutorials on YouTube regarding important registration processes that are relevant to the CNAS Scholars Learning Community, such as how to create and submit a term plan, how to accept your learning community block, and how to register for classes at UCR. Now, coming to the Peer Mentor Program tab, if we click, again, there is a brief overview of the program, important testimonials from former peer mentors, and interactive blocks from current peer mentors, as well as their faces. If we click on these, we will be able to see their major and some of the activities that they're involved in. Coming back up to the Persist program, if we click, you will be able to see what Persist stands for: promoting engagement, retention, and success in STEM training. More descriptions of our program, testimonials, how the program is structured, and frequently asked questions with interactive modules, some information about our current Persist mentors, and some information about our partners with Persist Keck Graduate Institute. Coming back to the bar, if we click Research Opportunities, you will see information on RISE, or Research and Science in Engineering. And it gives you some brief information, as well as a video on the entire program known as RISE. If we scroll down, you'll be able to see about the 3 programs involved in RISE, which are CNAS Scholars Fellows, DG Scholars, and STEM Pathways. You'll be able to see student testimonials from each of these 3 programs, as well as contact information for each of the representatives that run this program. So here are the contact information for the representatives that run these 3 respective programs. And please, we encourage you to watch these videos to understand the differences between these 3 sub-programs. Coming over to our final page, workshops. Workshops are very important to the CNAS Scholars program, as these are how we provide tips and tricks to first and second year students. If you would like to learn how to sign up for workshops, please read this important description as written here. And if you scroll down, you will be able to see upcoming CNAS Scholars workshop. Our upcoming workshops are listed here. Scrolling up, we do record our workshops and post them on this tab, so please feel free to watch the digitized versions of our workshop. Coming down to the bottom of the page, you will be able to see additional contact information for the Undergraduate Academic Advising Center. Please reach out to cnascholars@ucr.edu with any questions you have about our program or our website. We look forward to hearing from you, and thank you.